Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to deactivate Instagram account twice a week without deleting account. For example, if you have recently deactivated your Instagram account, now if you want to deactivate account again within the same week, then how you can do that? But the only option is that you have to simply delete that account. So how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings, and here you have to simply go to general. So in general, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. Now what you have to do next is you have to simply open the App Store here, and in App Store you have to simply search for the Instagram app, and here you have to simply make sure that you have installed the latest version of the Instagram app. And if it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update the Instagram app. Now after updating the Instagram app, you have to open it, and here you have to simply click on that profile section in Instagram, and here you have to click on three lines, and in three lines you have to click on account center here, and after that we have to click on personal details, and you will find the option of deactivation or deletion in personal details. And after that you will find the two options. The first one is the deactivation, and if you see weekly deactivation limit reached, then you want to deactivate again, then only option is that you have to delete that account, and for some time, and after that you can simply log in again, so that you can simply reactivate your account again. But if you want to do it without deleting, then there is no option available, so you have to do that or wait for some time, so that a week has been passed and you will be able to deactivate your account. So hope you have liked this video, and get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.